as you can see there, you're getting a bit of daylight coming through that, and for some reason it's causing a whistle to go through the dashboard here as the air's coming through it. So I'm just going to try and seal that up. So my solution is to get a piece of an old inner tube and cut a slit down the middle of that. I'm going to put that over the top of the brushes, so leave the brushes in place and just kind of secure that down with some Gorilla Tape or something like that. Hopefully that will cover off enough of that gap and still allow the pedal to depress, and then I won't get that whistle, the air coming through. Hopefully that will keep it a little bit warmer in the winter as well, because that's getting to be a bit of a sizable gap as the brushes are becoming bent.